Hey everyone, happy 2020. I can't believe it's a new decade. It's kind of bonkers. It's been quite a crazy ride. Join me as I look back through the years.
3, 2, what happens when charity becomes a key driving factor of a company's marketing strategy? Can philanthropy go with Okay, I'm gonna start over. This is Today.com's Weekly Rewind. I'm Katie Quinn. Now let's take a look at some of the clips that had you talking.
That your daughter is 5 years old.
Yes.
What is the best part of her being 5? What is that age for you?
It's an amazing age.
Straight restaurant. So the question that begs to be asked is, do you sleep?
Do you know what? I've been so damn busy.
Call this Foodie Christmas. So this is Foodie Christmas.
Where's Santa?
And so I'm clearly taking this one.
But I...
It's true, Google it. Here are our office's favorite office moments.
Wow, is it that easy? God,
It's
better.
that easy.
This is Katie Quinn. She's the woman in that video featured on her YouTube page called Cute Katie.
Yes, food is delicious. So what? Eat it then. Why talk about it? Well, I'll tell you why.
We're gonna take a field trip.
Yeah,
And we're gonna bring these guys along with us.
you guys.
This bad boy.
When you go with her, you get to eat so well.
But so much of traveling is the culture, and food is so much of every culture.
So welcome to my Paris abode, or should I say bienvenue. Salut tout le monde, si vous ne me connaissez pas, je suis Katie, or Katie. Je suis une New-Yorkaise qui vit à Paris en ce moment.
This is a happy day. Happy, happy day.
Happy day, guys.
Keep it quirky.
Keep it quirky.
Keep it quirky.
Keep it quirky. Keep it quirky, guys.
You heard it here.
Connor.
Hi.
Food is such a pivotal part of every relationship, whether it's romantic or non-romantic.
That's why I love traveling so much. It enhances both of those aspects of life.
It cuts out one step.
Absolutely. You ever eaten a lizard?
No, have you? And if you read the title of this video, you already know it, but I'm going to tell you with Jen!
With avocado!
PDO. What is it? Well, you see, Katie, PDO stands for Protected Designation of Origin.
I remember being really scared when I realized how much I was in love with him.
She nurtures and helps me as much as I do her, and what we've been able to build is what's kept me around and what's going to keep me around for the rest of our lives.
Welp, we've seen a puff and poop.
That's how you know you've done Iceland right.
How do you keep it quirky in your life?
Oh, that's such an honor that I get to apply the Keep It Quirky slogan to my own life.
And you know, the nice thing is, and it is a fact, hair grows.
Dip this in there.
Oh, I did this and that.
I like to do that.
This is so cool. It's so fizzy.
Now you know.
French is easy.
Now you
it has so many different.
I've got a really exciting project coming up that I feel like I've been hinting at forever, so I'm gonna tell you what it is right now. I'm writing a book! yeah, that a lot has happened. It's been quite an adventure. And thank you, all of you who have been there with me through so many of those years. Thanks for sticking with me and being a part of the evolution. I can't tell you how much it means to me. Seriously, I would not be making this video right now if it weren't for you. So thank you. Happy 2020, and let's bring in, because I know you all miss him.
Hi.
So Connor, tell them what not to forget.
Keep it quirky.
Always, guys, always. Come follow along. Stroll down memory lane.